I posted this photo on my Instagram. You guys seem to really enjoy it, so I'm gonna try and recreate it. I've polished the look up a little bit for today, so I'm gonna use a couple more products than I did in this actual photo. But that is why I'm wearing a towel, and certainly not because I was too lazy to dry my hair off after the shower today. Anyways, let's just get right into it. I have started off with the Mecca Cosmetica Illuminating Primer, so that is all over the face. Now I'm going to go in for foundation with the Dior Backstage in the color 3W, and I'm mixing it in with a couple of drops of the Touche Éclat Glow Shot. Normally I add a darker foundation as well, my Nars Natural Radiant, but I'm a little bit lighter now. We are toward the end of winter here in Australia. So I've lost quite a bit of my tan. I've just popped a little bit of each on the back of my hand. And then with my Real Techniques buffing brush, just gonna stipple and buff that all in. Next, you guys know the deal, Bobbi Brown Concealer, the Instant Full Cover, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. I'm just gonna pop that on my under eye circles and leave that to dry down a little bit. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Peach Blur by Too Faced. That's what it looks like, and just all over the face except for under the eyes, because I actually don't set my under eye circles anyway. It just doesn't work out for me with my creases. I just don't like powder. Going in with Becca's Be a Light Contouring Palette. This is in the medium to deep palette. I'm going to use this darker and medium shade and mix them together. Just bronze all over. And then for contour, I'm using the Dior Backstage Contour Palette. This is just the universal palette, and I'm going in with this darker shade and then the medium brown shade. With my Real Techniques sculpting brush, I'm just going to dip the product into that side of the brush, just like that. And then just placing the product right under the cheekbone here, just there. And then dragging the brush all the way in to blend that out. And then just buffing it up the face. Using the same technique, I'm just going to sculpt in under the jawline as well. Alright, my cheekbones, my jawline snatched. You can see it's given me that real kind of shadow effect in my contour. So I'm going to go in now with my beauty blender and blend out that concealer. Going back in with this shade from the Becca Contour Palette, I am just going to sculpt my nose with a little eyeshadow brush. Just going to fluff that out a little bit just for a soft contour on the nose, and then just a little bit of shadow under my lip as well. Alright, moving on to eyes, I'm just going to set my eyes with the same Peach Blur. Going into the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette, I'm going to use the Peach Tea color, my transition shade. And then going straight back in with Peach Cobbler on the outer and crease of my eye. Next, I'm going into this brown shade here called Peach Tart with a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to place that on the outer corner of the eye. And then back in and blending it out with my fluffier brush. Next, going in with the Chocolate Dipped, which is that dark, more ash brown shade, and again quite close to the lash line on the outer corner. For the lower lash line, I'm using Peach Tea. And then Peach Tart, the little brown shade on the outer corner. I'm gonna go in now with the Zoeva. This is a mini caramel melange palette. It's so cute and small. There is this color here. It's called Liquid Center and it is a coppery kind of shimmery tone. And I'm just gonna pop that from the center to the inner corner of the eye. And just a little puff. Okay, you know I do things a little bit differently sometimes, and to line my waterline, I'm actually using a lip liner. Don't know how safe it is, but I've done it before, so yeah, this is a Kat Von D lip liner in the color Crucifix. It's just a nice warm brown shade that I like with this eye look. That is a final eye look bar the mascara, because I do that at the very end after I've set my face. So let's move on to brows. I'm using the Benefits Precisely My Brow in Precisely My Brow in the shade 6. And then I'm going in with the Gimme Brow in the shade number 5 just to get a little bit more color. Ooh. Get a bit more color into the brows and give the hairs a little bit more length and fullness. And then straight in over the top with the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit as well, just to give it an extra bit of hold. For highlight, I'm using Natasha Denona. I'm so clumsy today. Okay, for highlight, I'm using Natasha Denona's Blush and Glow. It is this shade here, just the highlight color with a small brush. And with my finger, I'm just gonna go on the brow bone. The tip of my nose. And then just here on the bridge. My Cupid's bow, which I don't normally highlight, but for Instagram photos, it's kind of cute. And then my chin. And I'm just gonna fluff that all out. And then you know me, my blush comes after my highlight, so I'm using 2 blushes today. The traffic is so loud outside, I'm so sorry. First, I'm using the Nars in Liberty, I think that's what it is. This color, I'm going to go right on the center of the cheek here and quite high, almost all the way up to the eye. And then a little bit across the bridge of my nose with this color and my chin. And then going straight in with the Becca. This is in the color Lantana. Bit of a scary color, but I'm just going to use it very center here. And then at the tip of my nose, just a little bit underneath there. Oh, I love me some blush. Look at her. She is so sunburnt. I don't know why, I really adore this look. It's such a cute little look. I'm gonna finish off the cheek look with some freckles. So I'm using the same Kat Von D lip liner that we used in our waterline. Now for your cheeks, who would have thunk? I'm gonna use this because it's a little bit chubbier than my brow pencil, which is what I sometimes color my freckles in with. And it is a chubbier tip and a lighter color, so you can be quite like random with it. And I'm just gonna speckle it everywhere really. Looking cute. And then with my Precisely My Brow pencil, I am going to go over my actual freckles because it is a little bit of a darker and a finer tip. And then I'm also going to go over my beauty spots. I have quite a few around my mouth here. Ooh, she is freckled. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face now and then go back in and do my lippy and my mascara. So I'm using the Chill Spray by Urban Decay. Just give my eyelashes a quick clamp with the Surrat eyelash curler. And then going in with Benefit's Badgal Bang for mascara top and bottom. What a difference a good coat of mascara makes. I'm going to choose my lippy now. Alright, I'm going with Bite Beauty's Hot Harissa Lippy. And I'm just going to do it in the center of the lip here. Just there. And then I'm just going to use my finger to smudge it out to the edges. To add a little bit more depth, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle in the color Griselda. And then just with my finger again, I'm going to apply it just in the center. Okay, final step you guys, I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is the original universal shade. That is it. That is the final look, you guys. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. What do you think? It is a little bit more product than I actually used in that Instagram photo I referenced, but I just wanted to do something more polished for my YouTube family, you know what I mean? So thank you for joining me, and I do really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let me know below, and if you're not already subscribed, please come be a part of the family because I would love to have you here. And until my next video, come hang out on Instagram, come see me there. I want to get to know you guys a little bit better. Yeah, that's all I got for you. I'm gonna go see if my boyfriend wants to take me out for dinner and drinks because I put a lot of effort into this. This makeup is not to be wasted. Alright, I'll see you guys on Instagram. Mwah.